Hello everyone, my name is Shafkat and today I'm gonna give a brief presentation and explain the underlying mechanism of Graham's tool. Then I'm gonna provide a demonstration on how to use the Graham's tool. So let's begin. The overall problem statement in Graham's project is that we don't have enough budget to replace the aggregate material that is being lost from granular roadway surface deterioration. Therefore, we developed an Microsoft Excel-based tool that can determine the annual rock requirement in terms of tons per mile. This tool will also provide the budget and roadway reliability information for each tons per mile, and therefore we can determine the most optimum and efficient roadway maintenance scheduling. One of the major granular roadway maintenance scheduling is the existing thickness of granular roadway. Therefore, we developed our Graham's methodology and correlated the existing granular roadway thickness with its reliability. For example, if the reliability is 50%, that would mean the roadway thickness is below 2 inches. On the other hand, if the roadway reliability is about 100%, that would indicate an excellent network performance and the roadway thickness would be over 5 inches. We developed a gravel loss prediction model through beta regression analysis and estimated how the roadway thickness changes over time so that we can estimate the thickness and correlate that with this reliability analysis. To conduct the gravel loss prediction model analysis, we identified factors that are influencing roadway deterioration. Through extensive literature review, we identified a couple of factors such as traffic volume, precipitation, and soil quality. And we developed a global database with information from all 99 Iowa counties. We also developed a local database where we have the rock material quality data such as LA abrasion and fines content, and a drainage information from a couple of Iowa counties. We collected the traffic volume data from Iowa DOT database, the precipitation data from LTPP, and subgrade soil quality data from NRCS database. We collected the rock material quality LA abrasion and fines content data from individual pits, quarries, and counties. And for drainage, ditch, and crown information, we collected those data from different Iowa counties. We analyzed all of these factors and identified LA abrasion, daily traffic, and fines content are the most suitable factors in this beta regression analysis. So our final gravel loss model runs with these three variables. And the overall editing guidelines in the Graham's tool, we have to identify the color of the cells. If the cell color is green, that indicates the historical data and we should not edit that. The user can overwrite the historical data and bypass it if they put their values in the corresponding yellow colored cells. Now we're gonna start the demonstration of Graham's tool.